Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use CapCut 3D zoom effect. So open that CapCut app, create a new project, or if you have a project in mind, go ahead to that project, import your photo or video. So in our case, if we want to import a photo, just hit save here. Oh, hold on. Let me add a photo here instead. Right, this photo. Right. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select or tap the photo, press effects here at the bottom middle, then style. Right. Then you can swipe to select 3D zoom. Right. So you can swipe here to the left, see motion. Right. Yeah, here. 3D zoom effect. So I'm gonna select this one and automatically the zoom effect will be applied. Wait for the app to process and you're done. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps the channel. Till next time, see you.